I'm going to make an infinity cube out of cardboard tubes. The first thing I do is flatten one. Sometimes these are different sizes. The important thing is that they be the same width. I can use something rounded and hard. The smooth barrel of a pen seems to be working pretty well. So hard plastic apparently is as good as metal. And diagonally, just like I did for the first fold. There we go. How's that? First I'm going to mark this here where the fold is, and up here where the edge is. If I cut across there, I'll end up with a pretty close approximation of a cube. I need 4 of these. I'm also going to make myself a jig. I've taken a food box, cut it into 2 halves, nested them. I'm going to tape them together to make them sturdy, and see if that works. Move it into the fold. Yeah, those look about right. What if I take this and put it here? Yes, that does look right, whether it's here. And I'll cut them and we'll go from there. I'll mark them. Done with my jig. And these I am going to cut into separate rings. And let's just make sure it's not perfect, but I think it'll do. Tape these together. I think I want them. Do I want them with the open sides side to side, or with the open sides up and down? I think up and down. When I fold it the other way, they'll end up on the sides anyway, so it doesn't really matter. It's just this is more the way that I think about the default arrangement. Okay, so I'm going to start by taping these 2 together. So what I want is top, side, back, side, top, side, back, side, and then the top. So I'll tape these 2 together. That long. I'll tape these 2 together. Now I'm going to tape these 2 and these 2. So I should know by now to put the tape on one and then line up the other and then tape them together. Let's make sure that folds. Yeah, okay, that'll fold. Now here, tape on one, line up the next, tape them together. Yeah, okay, good. Here's okay, let me put these back on the sides, and now I want these 2 on the bottom. So I will turn this over and tape here and here. I like being able to stick my fingers through the boxes. Makes them much easier to handle. Okay. I need to roll these and put them across those two. Usually I work to line the tape up so that it covers the sticky tape on the other side, but I plan to cover these, so the alignment doesn't matter as much. Alright, so now I'll put those down and those up, and I'll tape. This is kind of fun. I definitely like the hollow boxes. Okay, I have two more. Let's see. There we go. Basically, you just keep playing with it till the hinges you want come up. Okay, envelope innards. I love these business envelopes that have the privacy printing, and there are so many different patterns. This is definitely stronger than the wrapping paper. I'm going to start by cutting some of this into strips this wide. Okay, I managed to get several different patterns. Two of them almost match. I did find this lovely. If I wrap this around and tuck it in on both sides, I can make that hinge. So I think that's the strategy I'll go for. What I want to do is make sure that where the hinge is, it will fold nicely. So I'll fold it there, and I'll fold it there. So I think I'm going to have to cut that a little bit short of the fold, because I don't think it's going to work on the fold. I think there's too much of a thickness issue. Just take that out, and it's folded. I'll put that off, and on the side, same thing. Alright, got that one. Tuck it in here, and will it fold? Yes. So a little bit later, I will tape those down. Put these back. Fold it up like this. These two, okay, there we go. I do it like that, and I do it like that. Then these four, I'll be able to do in the same way. So I'll use this. So now I have four of these, two of these, and I'll do two of these, and then put them together. Okay, I did cut two of these and then realized that was stupid because these last two are not going to be the same. Alright, so I've got this one, and that one. Now I think I have to turn this over to get here, 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 and I thought I had one more. Is that it? That's it. And here. So those will open like that. And this will open like this. Yeah, I know it looks really sloppy, but I believe that will work. I'm going to paste on these 6 large clothespins in case I need something to hold these things together. So I'll do this one first. I guess if I turn it this way it'll be easier. Alright, I'm going to put this here, kind of tuck it in, fold it over, and really push it together. Here I will put the glue on paper, fold it over, and for this other one, I guess the way to do this is like that. It's just going to be hard to get the glue on. There we go. Okay, now I can't open it to do this one, so I'll do this one. Stick it on there and there. Fold it to make sure that this fold is getting in the right place. Mash it together. This is a pretty sloppy way of doing it. I'm sure I'll come up with something neater, but I want to find out if the idea even works first. Because my next best option is buying pretty tape that's about that wide. Alright, so now I'll put clothespin here. Could I do that one? Yes, I think I could do... I don't think... well, yes, I can do these two. Yes, I'll do these two kind of together. That on. Tuck it in both sides. That on. I'll fold that up. And just get this together. Turn and mess down. Mess up. Awesome. Okay, so while I'm waiting for those, let me see if I can figure these out. I want a strip to go from here all the way around the square up to here, fold in half. It's not going to make it all the way around. These two sides are already covered. So all I really need is one strip to go here and another strip to go around, fold, and back down. So the one here needs two sides here, plus a little for overlap. So 4 sides on this one and 2 sides on this one. That's not quite 4 sides long, so I'll use this for the 2 sides. And that's 4 sides. So that'll go up like that and around like that. And then it'll go across there. If I use the white part, that'll work, I think. So on the other side, this will go in like that and wrap around these 2 sides. And this will go down here. Let's see. I think it's these 4 I need to take off. Nope, I need to take them all off. So here, I want to go across like that. So I can put the glue. Oh, my finger's gonna get glued, isn't it? Well, we'll see what we can do. Put that against the corner there. Make sure it'll fold. There we go. Boy, that really wants to roll. Okay, I'll put that there. You know what, if the fold's in the wrong place, it'll just make a new fold, that's all. Just press it down. I'll just tuck it over and press that together. This one does not seem to want to stick, so I'll put extra clothespin on for now. I'm just going to take this and tuck it in here. I have those two. I'll take these 2 off and these 2 off so that I can straighten this out, because now I want to wrap around 4 sides. I'm not very good at gluing. I'm trying to tuck the fold into here. but I don't know if that'll work. And I'm just going to let those ends, well, I think I can tuck this one in. Can I tuck this one in? No, that's glued too firmly. Let's see if I can do the same for this. I think I'm going to use this instead of the piece, and it feels more like it'll hold up, even though it'll mess up the pattern I was trying to make, but so be it. So if anything here, let's see if I can put this in a little ways. Flip it over, right across this hinge, into here. Let's see if I can tuck it in here, yes. Maybe. No. Alright, we'll just put this in a dozen places. Not exactly a dozen, no. Alright, let that dry, I'll do some trimming, and so on. Okay, I took the clothespins off. Some of these are coming a little loose, but I thought I'd trim first. Oh, that's a little tight rolling. That got a little glued together. I need to fold that. Now that's the right size. Back here, that needs trimming. Alright, so those are all the pieces, and I'll glue them on in a moment. Several sides are uncovered, so I think I'll leave them for now and glue all these down. And we'll just keep on doing this. And then I'll probably take some scraps and cover these and see. But I kind of like the hollows. I may take a strip and put them around the insides, just so that everything feels nice. Or maybe I'll take a strip of, I'll find a different pattern and put them around the insides, or use wrapping paper or something. Well, let's see how it turned out. I ended up, in order to cover almost all of it with the wrapping paper, I ended up sort of collaging it on, so there are lots of little pieces and they're tucked every which way, and I'm not very happy with that. But it does work. That part a little here, let me trim that off. So I kind of like that I can stick my fingers into the cubes. That I'm kind of enjoying. The actual implementation, not so much, but the fact that sometimes you look at it and it's empty cubes, and sometimes you look at it and it's solid, I kind of like that too, but I really like getting my fingers into these. So I think I'm going to end up playing with tubes and hollow boxes some more,